Alright.
Show Daddy you jump.
Let me see your jump.
Higher. Higher!
Let me see. Jump again. As high as you can. Go all the way to the ground and jump.
Good job.
Good job.
Daddy, the mommy.
You gonna jump the mommy? Okay. Okay, jump the mommy then. You sound like Bigfoot's coming.
One more. That's a lot of double shell.
Alright, good job.
Quick, quick, quick!
She gave up. I guess she gave up. She's tired. Alright, see you later.
You smell like boogie whites.